Hello, I'm Mrs. Jim. You're welcome to the classroom. Today we'll be learning the 3 times table, 3 times multiplication. Multiplication is simply a group of repeated addition, as you will soon see. So on the board here, we have 12 groups with 3 paper balls each. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 groups. Each has 3 paper balls. With these paper balls, we are going to be learning the 3 times table. You will see that 3 times is just a group of repeated addition or simply counting by threes. So this is 1, 2, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. This is 3. So this is 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. This is 6. So this is 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. That's 9. So this is 10, 11, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. This is 12. So this is 13, 14, 15. 3 times 5 is 15. This is 15. So this is 16, 17, 18. 3 times 6 is 18. That's 18. So this is 19, 20, 21. 3 times 7 is 21. This is 21. So this is 22, 23, 24. 3 times 8 is 24. That's 24. So this is 25, 26, 27. 3 times 9 is 27. That is 27. This is 28, 29, 30. 3 times 10 is 30. This is 30. So this is 31, 32, 33. 3 times 11 is 33. That's 33. So this is 34, 35, 36. 3 times 12 is 36. Can you see that? The 3 times table is just a group of repeated addition. You keep adding 3. It's like counting by threes. So 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 12, 36. This is what the 3 times table is all about. It's all about counting by threes. So if you know that 3 times 1 is 3 and you don't know that 3 times 2 is 6, all you have to do is add 3 to this and then you get the answer. Practice and you get better at it. Follow, subscribe. See you in the next class.